When we think about home design, garages are often overlooked. Yet, this space is more than just a place to park your car. It's an extension of your home, and the right paint color can completely transform it. A fresh coat of paint not only makes your garage look sleek and organized, but it also sets the mood for how you use the space. Whether it's for storage, a workshop, or even a stylish extension of your living area. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the best garage paint colors for 2026 that bring both freshness and style. From modern neutrals to bold statement shades, these colors will inspire you to give your garage the makeover it deserves. So, let's dive in and find out which shade will suit your garage the best. 1. Crisp white. Crisp white is one of the most timeless choices for garages, and for good reason. It instantly makes any space feel larger, brighter, and more open. If your garage doesn't get much natural light, white walls can reflect both daylight and artificial lighting, creating a clean and inviting atmosphere. Whether you go for bold red tool cabinets or sleek black shelving, crisp white walls will balance and highlight those accents beautifully. White also appeals to homeowners who want a minimalist, organized look. Many people think of the garage as a cluttered space, but when painted in a bright, fresh shade, it suddenly feels like an extension of your living area rather than just a utility zone. For those turning their garages into home gyms or creative studios, white is a fantastic choice because it keeps the environment uplifting and motivating. 2. Charcoal gray. Charcoal gray is one of the most sophisticated garage paint colors you can choose in 2026. Unlike lighter grays that often fade into the background, charcoal has a strong and commanding presence. It adds depth and richness to your garage, giving the space a modern, bold, and masculine energy that feels sleek yet timeless. This darker shade instantly makes the garage look more intentional and designed rather than just a functional space. Styling charcoal gray is also very flexible. It pairs beautifully with polished concrete floors, which complement its industrial modern look. Stainless steel shelving and matte black cabinetry add to its sleekness, while brighter accents like red toolboxes, green storage bins, or yellow lighting strips can bring a lively pop of contrast. For homeowners who want balance, combining charcoal with crisp white trims or ceilings creates a stunning two-tone effect that keeps the room from feeling too dark. Charcoal gray is also versatile when it comes to mood. In larger garages, it gives the feeling of a professional auto showroom, highlighting your cars and tools against a refined backdrop. 3. Navy blue. Navy blue brings an unexpected but stylish touch to garages. It's bold yet refined, giving your garage a sense of personality without overwhelming the space. Navy pairs well with white ceilings and gray flooring, creating a crisp, nautical-inspired vibe. If you use your garage for more than parking, like a gym or entertainment space, navy blue adds a cozy, upscale atmosphere. For an industrial modern look, combine navy with steel accents and LED strip lighting. 4. Light gray. Light gray is one of the most versatile garage paint colors. It's modern, sleek, and neutral, making it easy to decorate around. Unlike white, it doesn't show dirt as easily, but it still keeps the garage feeling bright and open. This shade works especially well for garages that double as workspaces. Pair it with black or silver shelving units for a polished, professional look. You can even add pops of color, like red tool cabinets or blue storage bins, for contrast against the subtle gray background. 5. Beige or taupe. If you want warmth without going too dark, beige or taupe is a perfect choice. These shades add a soft, welcoming vibe to the garage, making it feel more like an extension of your home rather than just a utility area. Beige pairs nicely with natural wood shelving, while taupe works great with metallic finishes. These neutral tones are also ideal if your garage has multi-purpose use, like a laundry corner or a craft space, because they blend seamlessly into different functions. 6. black accent walls. While painting your entire garage black might feel too heavy, adding a black accent wall creates instant drama and sophistication. A black wall behind storage units or your parked car gives the garage a sleek, showroom-like effect. This works especially well in larger garages where you want a bold statement. Pair the black accent with light gray or white on the other walls for contrast. Add LED strip lights or spotlights to highlight the sleek surfaces and create a modern, almost futuristic look. 7. Olive green. Olive green is earthy, modern, and unexpectedly stylish for garages. It brings a sense of calm and works especially well if your garage connects to outdoor areas. The natural tone ties the indoors and outdoors together. Pair olive green walls with black shelving and matte gray flooring for a balanced look. This shade is perfect if you want a garage to double as a workshop or a creative space. It feels grounded and inspiring without being distracting. 8. Two-tone combinations. Two-tone walls are trending in 2026, and they work beautifully in garages. A common approach is painting the lower half in a darker color like charcoal, navy, or black, while keeping the upper half white or light gray. This not only looks modern, but also serves a practical purpose. Darker shades on the bottom help hide scuffs, while lighter tones on top keep the space bright. The contrast makes the garage feel visually dynamic and more finished than a single flat color. 9. Red or deep burgundy. For homeowners who want bold energy, red or deep burgundy makes a powerful statement. These shades instantly make your garage feel lively and full of character. They also work well if you have classic cars or want a retro-inspired garage. Red pairs beautifully with black cabinets and chrome finishes for a sporty, high-performance vibe. Burgundy, on the other hand, feels a bit more sophisticated, bringing richness without being too overwhelming. Both colors give your garage a unique personality. 10. Sleek silver or metallic finishes. Silver and metallic shades bring a futuristic, high-tech vibe to garages. They reflect light and give surfaces a sleek, almost automotive-inspired look. Perfect for car enthusiasts. Metallic finishes pair beautifully with concrete floors and black shelving, creating a modern, industrial feel. If you don't want to commit to metallic on all walls, consider using it as an accent or even as a textured paint finish for a subtle shimmer. And there you have it, 10 of the best garage paint colors for a fresh and sleek look in 2026. From timeless whites and grays to bold navy, olive, and even metallic finishes, these shades prove that your garage can be just as stylish as any other room in your home. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which color you'd love to try in your own garage. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.